Easy now, Drone Warrior here. I got a problem this morning. Went out to fly. It was beautiful. Sun was coming up. Mist was coming up off the soil, off the fields and stuff. It looked amazing. But when I turned my goggles on, it would power up. And just as we're about to get ready to connect, they stop, turn off and restart. So my goggles are going through this startup loop, and there's obviously nothing on the internet about how to get rid of this startup loop. There's nothing wrong with the battery, there's nothing wrong with the cable. I've tried both of them. It goes through, it loads up fine. As soon as it gets to the main page, it quits again. You can't plug it into the app or the software on your laptop or on your phone because it's not on long enough to be recognised and to do any good. So before I got in touch with DJI, I had a bit of a think to myself, and I managed to work out what the solution is. So what you need to do is you need to turn it off. You need to remove your memory card. But try to do this all in one shot so you can see this is how it works. Bear with me. Okay, memory card out. Now we power it on. The DJI. But now it doesn't turn off. It just tells us that there is no memory card. So this is obviously an issue that's gone wrong on the memory card, whether it's a corrupted file or whether it is, I don't know, some software that's on there that's causing a bit of issue that, I don't know, maybe something's got on there that it shouldn't be. So I'm going to take the videos off it, obviously format the card, put it back in, but that seems to be the fix. As you can see, it's still on. Still showing all the details, everything that's on the screen that you'd expect, and they're working fine. Memory card issue. I am so glad I managed to sort that out and it wasn't an issue and it wasn't a return back to DJI. So there you go. If this has helped you out, subscribe, like and share, comment below, and I will catch you all on the next one.